Imagine a world without cars, airplanes, or motorcycles. Imagine a world where travel is slow, arduous, and limited to the power of animals or the wind. It's hard to picture, isn't it? That's because the internal combustion engine, a marvel of engineering, revolutionized transportation and reshaped our world in ways we often take for granted. This invention, born from the ingenuity of a handful of brilliant minds in the 19th century, propelled us into a new era of speed, efficiency, and unprecedented mobility. Before the internal combustion engine, getting around was a much slower and more laborious affair. People relied on horses, oxen, or their own 2 feet to get from one place to another. Goods were transported by horse-drawn carriages or by boats, sailing along rivers and canals. Travel was limited by time, distance, and the availability of resources. The advent of the steam engine offered a glimpse of a faster future, but steam engines were bulky, inefficient, and required a constant supply of fuel. Then came the internal combustion engine, a revolutionary idea that harnessed the power of controlled explosions within a confined space to generate motion. This ingenious concept, though simple in principle, required years of painstaking research, experimentation, and countless setbacks before it could be transformed into a practical reality. A handful of visionary engineers, driven by a relentless pursuit of innovation, devoted their lives to perfecting this groundbreaking technology. Their tireless efforts, often conducted in small workshops with limited resources, laid the foundation for a global transformation. The internal combustion engine, once a fledgling concept, became the driving force behind a new era of transportation. Cars, motorcycles, airplanes, and countless other machines roared to life, powered by this innovative technology. The world was shrinking, distances were collapsing, and a new era of unprecedented mobility was dawning. At the heart of this revolution were 3 German engineers, Nikolaus Otto, Gottlieb Daimler, and Karl Benz. These pioneers, driven by a shared passion for innovation, each played a crucial role in developing and refining the internal combustion engine. Their stories are a testament to the power of human ingenuity, perseverance, and the transformative impact of groundbreaking ideas. Nikolaus Otto, a gifted engineer with a keen eye for detail, is credited with developing the first practical 4-stroke internal combustion engine in 1876. His engine, known as the Otto cycle engine, set the standard for future engine designs. Otto's success didn't come easily. He spent years experimenting with different designs, facing countless challenges and setbacks along the way. His dedication and meticulous approach, however, eventually led to a breakthrough that would change the world. Gottlieb Daimler, a brilliant engineer and close collaborator of Otto, took this innovation a step further. Daimler, driven by a vision of a horseless carriage, envisioned a future where the internal combustion engine would power personal transportation. He focused on refining the design of the engine, making it smaller, lighter, and more powerful. His relentless pursuit of efficiency and performance paved the way for the first practical automobiles. Karl Benz, another visionary engineer working independently, shared Daimler's dream of a self-propelled vehicle. Benz focused on integrating the internal combustion engine into a complete vehicle, meticulously designing the chassis, transmission, and other essential components. In 1886, he unveiled the Benz patent motor wagon, widely regarded as the first practical automobile. This groundbreaking invention, a culmination of years of dedicated work, marked the beginning of a new era of personal transportation. The impact of the internal combustion engine was immediate and far-reaching. The automobile, once a novelty, quickly became a symbol of progress and personal freedom. Roads that were once dominated by horse-drawn carriages were now filled with the roar of engines. Cities expanded, suburbs sprawled, and the world was becoming increasingly interconnected. The internal combustion engine also revolutionized other forms of transportation. Motorcycles, powered by smaller, more agile versions of the engine, offered a thrilling new way to experience the open road. Trucks equipped with powerful engines transformed the way goods were transported, enabling faster and more efficient delivery over long distances. The world of commerce was reshaped as businesses could reach new markets and expand their operations. The impact extended far beyond land transportation. The Wright brothers, inspired by the possibilities of the internal combustion engine, dared to dream of flight. They meticulously adapted the engine for use in their pioneering aircraft, the Wright Flyer. Their successful flight at Kitty Hawk in 1903 marked a pivotal moment in human history, ushering in the era of powered flight. The internal combustion engine, once confined to the ground, had now taken to the skies. The internal combustion engine's versatility and adaptability were key to its widespread adoption. It could be tailored to power a wide range of machines, from small handheld tools to massive industrial equipment. This adaptability made it an indispensable tool for countless industries, transforming manufacturing, agriculture, construction, and countless other sectors. The world was becoming increasingly reliant on the power and efficiency of the internal combustion engine. The legacy of Otto, Daimler, and Benz extends far beyond their groundbreaking inventions. These pioneers of the internal combustion engine not only revolutionized transportation, but also inspired generations of engineers and inventors. Their relentless pursuit of innovation, their dedication to pushing the boundaries of what was possible, and their unwavering belief in the power of technology continue to inspire us today. The internal combustion engine, though facing increasing scrutiny due to its environmental impact, remains a cornerstone of our modern world. Cars, trucks, airplanes, and countless other machines still rely on this technology. While electric vehicles and other alternative forms of transportation are gaining traction, the internal combustion engine continues to play a vital role in our daily lives. The quest for innovation continues, driven by a desire to improve efficiency, reduce emissions, and explore alternative sources of energy. Engineers and scientists around the world are working tirelessly to develop new technologies that will shape the future of transportation. The internal combustion engine, a product of 19th century ingenuity, serves as a reminder of the transformative power of human innovation. As we look to the future, we can draw inspiration from the legacy of Otto, Daimler, and Benz. Their story reminds us that even the most groundbreaking ideas often start with a simple spark of ingenuity, followed by years of dedicated work and a relentless pursuit of progress. The internal combustion engine, born from their vision and dedication, continues to shape our world, reminding us of the enduring impact of human innovation. The internal combustion engine, a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance, has left an undeniable mark on our world. From the first rudimentary prototypes to the sophisticated engines that power our modern machines, this technology has revolutionized transportation, reshaped industries, and continues to influence our daily lives. As we stand at the cusp of a new era of transportation, with electric vehicles and other alternative technologies emerging, it's important to remember the lessons learned from the pioneers of the internal combustion engine. Their story reminds us that innovation is a continuous journey, driven by a relentless pursuit of progress and a willingness to challenge the status quo. The road ahead is filled with exciting possibilities, with new technologies promising cleaner, more efficient, and sustainable forms of transportation. As we navigate this evolving landscape, we can draw inspiration from the legacy of Otto, Daimler, and Benz, whose groundbreaking work laid the foundation for the world we know today. The internal combustion engine, a symbol of human ingenuity, serves as a reminder of the power of innovation to transform our world and shape our future.